Hey, what's up guys? As I just said, I'd send you a video so you can kind of see what happened. As far as all these numbers on the bottom go, which are the ones we did not know how to do before, to get to that, that 0.73766 is basically, you can see all this is pro source info. So the first number is going to be 52.69 times 0.014. Second number would be 5281 times 0.01, and you can see you just keep going down. Then for functionality, 52.69 times the second one, so functionality, and then 5278.306, so same thing, just keep going down all the way. Then practicality, 5269 times that, and then, same thing, down all the way. Then you'll get to the grid foam roller, obviously, just do that, and then for the functionality, grid times functionality, and you guys can kind of see where everything's going. But all these numbers down here, that is these numbers over here, which is the actual scores in the gap map.